Tonight I'm gonna be cooking for these old people.
Yeah.
Yeah, that whole horde on the inside, but
You get shot up in your face, oh yeah. Nigga know that we don't play it, no, yeah. Confidential right now in the rental. Bad bitches tryna fuck on the little niggas. Wrap it up, we wrap them bricks and then we send them down. Young nigga get into it, chasing manager.
what's down? This your girl Juiced Up, back at it with another video, y'all. So we're gonna be looking at cars today. I'm on the phone right now, but we're gonna be looking at cars, see which one I'm gonna call, but it ain't even one over here that I want for real. So let's see. What y'all think about this? That one is nice. Also, other colors. That I was thinking about.
You say what, babe? You got H&B auto. You got 3 Country auto.
Ooh.
What you got on?
It make you want to lick on me, huh?
Huh?
It make you want to lick on me, huh?
No, but what kind? What you got?
I got on that Valentino.
My Valentino?
I got my Valentino on.
Damn, I be smelling like that.
I don't know how you smell in Valentino, but this how I smell.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh. This one hard too, y'all. I'm finna see, bro. Which one I'm gonna cop, though? Which ones? Which ones, y'all? Go see. Look at some of the prices and everything. And stuff. So we're gonna see what we gonna get. I'm not gonna show y'all too many cars because we're going to some more places and shit like that. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned for the come up and wait to see what's gonna go down. Next car place. I'm finna go look at this Benz over here. See what it's talking about. Oh, this hoe ugly. The color hard as fuck, but this hoe is ugly. The color hard. It's like a truck. It's a truck. Hell no. That hoe ain't cool, but in the front is clean, but I wouldn't do no Benz truck. I'll do a slight little Benz. The Benz truck, but this white one over here hard. I can get this hoe wrapped on the cool. Get all fucking with it. They get a good price for this hoe. That hoe precious. Oh yeah, AMG. It's an AMG Benz. It's so hard. See what they're talking about? The prices and shit. Oh, I see another one too. Let me see. Another type of car that I'll cop. Yeah, this bitch cool. It's dirty, but it's so cool. It's so cool. See, it's a Porsche over here. It look like that. This hoe look like 2018 type C300 type shit. You feel me? But stop playing with the kid. I might be finna do a TikTok. So I'm finna see what the people talking about, see how much they gonna do it for the kid, and we gonna catch y'all when I'm out. We finna see if this one open. Well, I don't think they open though. Yeah, they outlawed on some shit. They be somebody gonna take that shit. Yeah, that whole horde on the inside, but they ain't got these hoes open. So I really want to come here on the pool. I don't know why that shit just went off like that. But yeah. Alright, this right here looking nice. I might come back and swing by and get that house. I don't know. I got it's too many over here. I'm really fucking with it. With that SR or something. Oh, they got the Hemi. The RT. This the one I really want right here. This is nice. Hey, how you doing? Good, you? Yeah, what's up? They need. Ooh, but this one right here, I don't know, y'all. I might be going for the Benz. I'm still looking, but I didn't come for a Benz. I didn't come for a Benz. I came for a goddamn Charger, Dodge, or a Camaro. So this is what I'm looking for now. I'm gonna walk up on this Camaro. I really want a Camaro on the pool. That's tonight I'm gonna be cooking for these old people. Alright, where the cabbage? Sorry. You can hold it. You picked up the wettest one. Yeah, what sucks is I didn't bring my camera today. I forgot my camera. I'm like, dang. Okay, let me go to the seasoning. Okay, we getting the carrots. I could just get one? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Where'd she go? She gone, but we got the carrots. And I am gonna ask her, where is the seasonings? So we can find that Jamaican stuff. I saw it, was it in Walmart or something? I seen it somewhere. Yeah, we need tomato paste. And I don't see it. Lady having shit over here dust off. Let me see if I see it. Garlic powder. That's what we need. This shit finna be good, y'all. Shit finna be good. We got a tomato paste and shit. Okay. Here we go. Alright, y'all. I need to find my peoples with the thing. just ran into some people, y'all. They be watching me on the tubes and stuff. But yeah, we gonna make some oxtails. Well, I'm making some oxtails tonight. They ain't making oxtails. So yeah, these oxtails gonna be good. I'm gonna whip it up in there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, just
Maybe
so
they
that's
know
what
you.
I got. I just ran into some supporters and everything, so yeah, today's doing good. And they're supporters. He tripping. So I am done looking for cars for today. We gonna start that shit back up. I don't know when, but we gonna start that shit back up. And I'm finna just be hitting people up online and shit. So yeah. Hold on, y'all. So yeah, but thank y'all for watching. I guess y'all want to see me cook my oxtails or whatever I got from the store. That clip is all in here and everything. So we finna go cook because I'm hungry as fuck. So we finna go cook real quick. And yeah, stay tuned. We finna make some oxtails, y'all. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I get the sauces and everything that we gonna put in it. And everything. And yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Hey y'all. We just put in some seasoning already, but where that knife at so I can open this? Never mind. We already put the paprika in here and the oxtail seasoning. Now we finna put the garlic powder. And the onion powder.
Right. And so this is what we have to account. So they be like, ooh, damn, you smell good. Shit. Makes me want to lick your whole body. 859 bank account. 901.
Anyways.
Bank account. I told her, yeah, this is how bad account be until I start taking out bill money. And then after that, it ends up like that, but mine still be like at the top.
Yeah, this is my first time making oxtail, so let's hope we come out with a bang.
So the accountant when he paying our bills. Well, be like, well, there goes my check.
Oh,
I'll be like, babe, don't think that.
Dad.
Oh man, you gotta be careful, man. Don't be that rough. You gotta get that up.
Yeah, we gonna get it up. It's looking good, don't it?
You know? I think someone better than that.
He say, I see she got the cleaning stuff.
You feel me, y'all? Alright, so y'all, we getting them saute right now. And while we let them saute, I'm gonna be making some rice. Do we even got rice? Get it, I can't reach it. I don't know what y'all do, but I'll clean my rice before I even get to cooking it. jasmine rice, so I don't know what kind of rice I use, but I use jasmine rice. And I had to put my camera on the charger, so I'm not using my camera right now. I'm not using my camera right now.
I wish I would have known you was going out there because I would have laid something out so when they drop,
Cleaning
they'll
the
fall
rice.
there.
Y'all see? It's dirty. It be dirty. The rice be dirty for sure. I hate every time I do a YouTube video, it's always voices in the background. They must ain't hear me. But yeah, it's always voices in the background. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all be having to hear background talk and stuff. Okay, now I clean it out, and now we can put it on.
Promise I'm speak up when I hop about the car. I promise I'm gonna speak up when I hop about the cut. I promise I'm gonna speak up when I hop about the cut. I promise I'm gonna make a scene. Got lights, cameras, action, but I promise that I won't be seen. She told me that she loved me, but I knew that shh make believe. But this ain't even about it, so let me catch you up to speed. Red target, slaying demons. I'll be quick to put them on that red carpet. TMZ 'em. I could get them taken after one call.
That's it. I'm actually gonna take my camera off the charger. It's been charging for a little minute, so I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna put y'all on the set. When we get the color on these, when we get the color on these, I'm gonna come back to show y'all this. Y'all don't judge me. It's my first time making oxtails, so. Yeah. First time making it. It's already onions in this. So we good. We good. I don't fuck with the onions too much. I don't fuck with onions like that. You feel me? I put a little salt in it.
Just to have a taste to it, you know what I'm saying?
It did have a taste to it. Boy. We gonna try. I'm gonna try this on camera and tell y'all if it's good. We gonna let this sit for a little bit though. So come back to y'all in a second. I did that. Let's taste it. I'm ready to taste it. I'm ready to eat though. Alright, first time I'm finna just try this one. Okay, I did my big one.
Previously on Mr. Mercedes.
Yeah, but I'm finna get back to Mr. Mercedes. I did my motherfucking big one. Y'all lucky I had my first bite on camera though. I was really finna say fuck it.
Would you let me to believe that you could? Barry, in R&D, just showed me this prototype. It's an eye-brain thing. What if you practiced what you would...
Hold on, y'all. So yeah, but thank y'all for watching. If y'all got this for, like, comment, subscribe, drop down in the comment section black hearts, y'all, black hearts in the comment section. And